Back-to-back powerful earthquakes have hammered Venezuela, collapsing buildings in the capital of Caracas. The U.S. Geological Survey says a 7.2 magnitude quake first struck near the coastal city of Moron, followed minutes later by a stronger 7.5 quake. Residents ran into the streets as buildings swayed and walls crumbled, sending dust into the air. Over 100 people are confirmed dead, with officials fearing that number may rise into the thousands as recovery efforts continue. Venezuela's acting president has declared a state of emergency. It says classes are canceled and the capital's airport is closed due to damage. The quakes are amongst the strongest to strike Venezuela in more than a century.
Queremos informar que el día de hoy, alrededor de las 6 de la tarde, ocurrieron dos sismos seguidos. El primero de 7.2 y seguidamente uno de 7.5. A esta hora ya se han registrado 20 réplicas. Es un hecho de grave consecuencia que haya estados particularmente afectados. La ciudad capital, Caracas, hubo derrumbe de edificios en distintas parroquias. El estado Miranda, el estado La Guaira también ha sido duramente afectado. El estado Aragua, Carabobo, Falcón, donde hemos tenido incidencia. El primer mensaje para nuestro pueblo es mantener la unión para salvar vidas.
Estaba aquí cuando logré vestirme, que él me ayudó y todas las paredes agrietadas. Pudimos abrir la puerta como pudimos, una nube de humo que no nos dejaba ver. Y bueno, cuando bajamos el escenario era de película de terror. Tuvimos que subir por encima de los escombros y todo. La conserje con la bebé y todos los vecinos bajando, pero los de este edificio solo he podido ver que han salido una familia.
Afortunadamente la familia, mi esposa, la nieta, estábamos fuera del apartamento, del edificio, y cuando llegamos nos encontramos con que estaba totalmente destruido. Afortunadamente también los vecinos pudieron salvar su vida. ¿Qué podemos decir? ¿Cuántas familias son las que han podido quedar así, edificios destruidos en Caracas? Si bien no había sucedido en tiempo, pero Caracas es una zona sísmica.
So we have an whole of government response. It'll be big, it'll be fast, and it'll be effective. And of course, obviously, we're in touch through our embassy on the ground, where I believe we have almost full accountability of all of our personnel. The airport there is badly damaged, so we'll have to rely on the Department of War to deploy assets there. And then we're also helping them with some overhead imagery, especially in coastal areas where they don't have full visibility over what the damage has been and what the impact has been. The most immediate need, the one they need right now is search and rescue. That's the one they need immediately, because you got to get people out of that rubble within 48 hours or they won't survive. And so that's the first thing we're going to respond to. In the process of that response, we'll begin to assess what else they need. It is my guess, based on what I know about these sorts of things, that they're going to need a place. How do you house all of these people in the short term? So we'll have a better understanding of that. It's not even 12 hours yet.
Right.
So we don't have a number on it yet, but I know the President's made a full commitment to being supportive of Venezuela.
Podemos decir que el estado de La Guaira es una verdadera tragedia y se convierte en una zona de desastre.